A very good weapon which is present in our hands, which is effectively helpful for us to save the environment. That is following 3R principle. So what does it mean 3R principle in the sense? Reduce, reuse and recycle. First let us see what is the word meaning reduce. We have to develop a habit of reducing the usage of natural resources. As I have already told you, using the natural resources to fulfill only our basic needs and preserving them for future generations. Not a problem who is watching me. I can use it as my wish to lead our life comfortable, to lead my life comfortable. I can use any natural resource as my wish. You should not think like that. You have to reduce the usage of natural resources. Second one, reuse. Reusing in the sense, using the natural resources or again, anything whatever you are using it again and again. For example, you will go to a market and get a plastic cover. Understood? And that plastic cover, you can use it 2 or 3 times. Not just bringing and throwing it only one time. Or some plastic containers, you can use them for further use for storing these peanuts or grains or whatever it may be. Are you getting my point? So first one is reducing. Whenever there is no necessity turning or switching off the lights and fans, that is reducing. Using the plastic containers for storing grains and cereals is what? Reusing. And the third one is recycling. Instead of going for a new raw material to manufacture something, whatever raw material is available in the destructed form, you can use it, you can mold it, and you can use it for making a new article, recycling. So when you follow this 3R principle, what is it? Reduce, reuse, recycling. Nowadays one more R is also added. It is not 3R principle now, it is 4R principle. The another R added to this is recover. Recover the waste. Reduce, reuse, recycle and recover. Most probably we call it as 3R principle, but recently one more R is also added, which is called as recover. So when you follow this 4R or 3R principle in your life, there is no question of exploitation of natural resources. In my point of view, reusing is far better than recycling. How can you say that, teacher? Reusing is better than recycling. Reusing in the sense using an object, using a thing again and again without manufacturing a new article, where it will never consume any energy. We no need to use any water because already it is made and the made thing is being used again and again. Are you getting my point? Whereas recycling in the sense, recycling involves the usage of energy. Recycling involves the usage of water. Recycling involves the usage of labor. So where we have to spend much amount of energy. Whereas in reusing, no energy is going to be spent. So in that way, reusing is better than recycling. So in this way, by following this 3R principle or 4R principle, whatever it may be, as a responsible citizen, you people should develop an idea of conservation of natural resources to lead your life comfortable and making them available for future generations. So with this, I am going to finish this chapter, natural management of natural resources. I am going to remind you once again, I am repeating, this lesson is not going to be tested by the board in this year. It is only for internal assessment, which could helpful for you to make your project or to draw a poster or to make your PowerPoint presentation. So keep in your mind, you learn all these things and use this knowledge in making your project. This chapter is not going to be tested in the coming board exams. That's all. I wish you all the very best for making your project and your upcoming board exams. I would like to give you a PowerPoint presentation on coal and petroleum. So you need to make a PowerPoint presentation about the conservation of coal and petroleum, which should not be exceeded more than 3 minutes. So in that PowerPoint presentation, you have to consider what are fossil fuels, what is the importance of coal and petroleum in our lives, what are the ill effects of using this coal and petroleum indiscriminately to the environment, what sustainable methods we have to follow for the conservation of coal and petroleum. In detail, you have to make the slides more than 3 minutes. It should not exceed more than 3 minutes. You have to make a PowerPoint presentation and you have to send it to me through the WhatsApp. Thank you.